Dear students, the next topic we are going to discuss in this chapter is what is meant by scientific model, simulations and virtual testing. What is meant by a scientific model? You will be knowing that. A scientific model is a representation of a real thing and it serves as a useful tool in scientific investigation. It helps to formulate theories when direct observation or study of a phenomena becomes very difficult. We are formulating these theories based upon the investigation which is done in this model. Model, we know that nothing but it is a representation of the real thing. It will not be a real thing, but it will represent as the real thing. Okay. For example, mathematical model, models of DNA by Watts and Crick. This is we all know that the DNA is generally having a double stranded helix, and by knowing this structure we are formulating different kinds of aspects like transcription, translation, etc. All these things we are generally predicting by means of this model. So this is called what is called a model. And also in chemistry you may be knowing that the structure of atoms. Bohr and Ernest Rutherford are the famous scientists who generally consider or they generally elucidate the structure of atoms. So all these things are generally representing the real thing. Okay, and this model, what is the peculiarity of this model is may be accurate or inaccurate. And in biological as well as medical researches, we are using different kinds of organisms for this kind of scientific investigation. You may be knowing that E. coli bacteria, then Drosophila, melanogaster, that is fruit fly. These kinds of organisms are generally representing, or they generally possess some peculiar features for explaining a phenomena. If you are considering this Drosophila or fruit fly, these are widely used in genetic studies. And guinea pig is also another organism which is widely used in medical researches. And yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, this is widely used in the studies of genetic as well as cell biology. So what is the peculiarity of this model organisms? They were generally, the studies we are generally putting to them will be providing a very informating knowledge, but it will formulating generalization. It is generally helping for formulating generalization whenever it becomes very much difficult. So this is the importance of model. Model is nothing but it's a representation of the real thing. Then what does mean by simulations? A simulation means, it literally means it is an imitation of a real thing, which is at a state of affairs or processes. I will cite you with an example. You may be knowing that origin of the Urey-Miller experiment. What is the peculiarity of this experiment? Yes, they generally created a prebiotic earth situation for establishing the origin of life. So here we are, what we are doing, we are imitating the real thing. That is called simulations. Okay, so this simulations that we are generally used or it becomes useful whenever a real condition becomes very much difficult or it becomes impossible. We know that we cannot establish a prebiotic earth situation right now, but we are elucidating or we are just establishing or manipulating that particular thing. That is called what? Simulations. Now the computer simulations have been widely used in the field of medical research. So it is nothing but it is imitation of a real thing whenever we are not able to set that condition right now. Then the next terminology associated with this is called virtual testing. The word virtual literally means that which is not real. It is a conceptual concept which is possessing some salient features of the real thing. We can also call it as the testing of hypothesis using computer methods. This virtual testing we are widely used in behavioral or ethological researches For example, visual cues, which is used by fruit flies for evaluating certain distance of an object, as an exercise, a typical example of visual testing. Here, computer reconstruction and multidimensional medical and histological image data will provide a powerful new visualization tool for the biologist as well as the physician. Here you can see that there is a picture I have just cited for you. This is a digital brain. Here, what is mean by digital brain? Yes, this is not real. We are manipulating this as true. So this is called virtual testing. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please do in the comment section. Thank you.